Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to solve Olympiad math problem, that is x minus 9 whole square equals 64. You have to find the value of x. For this purpose we will apply the formula of a minus b whole square, that equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here we have value x minus 9 whole square, so we get x square minus 2 into x into 9 plus 9 square equals 64. So x square minus 18x plus 81 equals 64. Now x square minus 18x plus 81 minus 64 equals 0. So by subtraction of 81 minus 64 we will get x square minus 18x plus 81 minus is 17x. So now we will make the factor of 17 when they are added gives 18. So x square minus 17x minus x plus 17 equals 0. Now in the next step we will take common term between them. X is taken as common, so x minus 17 and minus 1 is taken from this, so x minus 17. So we get pairs x minus 17 and x minus 1. Now the values x equals 17 and x equal 1. These are the two values. These are the solution for this one. Now we will verify our solution. So x equals 17 and x equal 1. For this purpose, x equals 17. Substitute in this equation and check left hand side equal right hand side or not. 17 minus 9 is 8. 8 square. So 8 square is 64. It means this root is correct. Now we will verify for the next one. X equal 1. So we will put 1 minus 8 whole square. 1 minus 9, this is 9. 1 minus 9 square means minus 8 square. So 8 square is also 64. It means left hand side equals right hand side. So if you found this video helpful, there is a bonus question. Question is x plus 12 whole square equals 100. You have to find the value of x. Find this value and tell us in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting question. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.